All right, so I have Zicam cold remedy. It says that it shortens colds. Take at the first sign of a cold. It's called the pre-cold medicine. The only cold shortening nasal spray with no drip nasal spray. Now this is made by Zicam, known for its tablets which contain zinc. And it's important to note before we go forward is that their nasal spray is, however, zinc-free. Regardless of what the name says, it is zinc-free. There's no zinc within inside of the nasal spray, whereas the tablets, actually have those right here, have the ingredients of zinc inside of them. Let's see if I can find that for you really quickly. Yep, it says right there, Zicam, aceticum, Zicam. Okay, so there's zinc inside of these, but no zinc inside of the nasal spray, the no drip nasal spray. So here it is, what it looks like. I'm going to open it up and I'm going to go ahead and try some of this. So here are the ingredients on here. Now, going back to the whole zinc issue, zinc has been known to actually reduce the sense of smell when administered in the nose. So I'm assuming that's why they don't have zinc inside of the nasal spray, because I believe there was some nasal sprays that had zinc in them that people perhaps temporarily lost their sense of smell. But this is not a product that has zinc in it, so you don't have to deal with that particular issue. But it does reduce the duration of the common cold and helps relieve nasal congestion. Zicam Cold Remedy was not formulated to be effective for the flu or allergies. Now, there's a host of other warnings and directions on here that you should read and abide by before using this product. I'm just giving you a general guide. And with that said, I'm going to go ahead and open this up and pull out the product itself. Now, it comes nicely wrapped inside of a plastic. I'm going to see if I can go ahead and get in this and try this out for you, give you my experience with the Zicam nasal spray. So let me see if I can open this up, because it's kind of hard to open for some reason. And I was never good at opening presents. So around Christmas time, the presents came around. All the other kids were playing with their toys, and I was still trying to figure out how to unwrap my presents. Okay, so I'm not that great. So I almost have it. Oh. All right, so let me pull out. I have a present opener. I'm going to use that, see if that helps out a little bit better. All right, so I have that pulled back. All right, so finally have this open. Guess they make this so it can't be tampered with easily. They did a really good job at protecting this, and perhaps from anyone ever trying to use this, because it's wrapped up so well. So here is the Zicam Cold Remedy No Drip Nasal Spray, shortens colds, zinc-free, homeopathic. Okay. Right here comes with the warnings on the side. Make sure you read that. Let's see, to use. Let's come up to this and see directions. Okay, here are the directions right here. Hold with thumb at bottom of bottle and nozzle between your fingers before using the first time. Prime pump by depressing several times. Place tip of nozzle just past the nasal opening approximately 1/8 of an inch. Lean your head backwards slightly. Pump 2 times into each nostril. Avoid inhaling deeply. Wipe away any excess. Dose every 3 hours. Do not exceed 5 doses in one 24-hour period. Children under the age of 12 do not use. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to shake it because I usually shake even though I didn't see that instruction on this. Go ahead and shake it anyway for the giggles. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Now there is a safety pump right here, a safety latch right here. You have to remove this so you can pump it. Okay, so remove this part right here so you can actually pump with the Zicam nasal spray. And then I'm going to remove this cap. Remove this cap right here. And so it says prime it several times to, when you first get it, because, so I'm going to prime it. Let me get in closer. I'm going to give you the full experience in this. So I have to prime it first in order to get some of the ingredients through the nozzle, okay? Because I haven't used this before, so I'm going to, all right, so it's been primed. So now that I have it primed, I'm going to go back to the instructions where it says lean head backwards slightly, pump 2 times into each nostril, avoid inhaling deeply. So I'm going to go ahead and do my right nostril, then I'll come back and share my experience with you really quickly. So I'm going to do my right nostril, lean my head back. Whew. All right, so I did my right nostril. I leaned my head back a little bit. I was taking it back a little bit. It definitely clears up any congestion. I believe it's because it has menthol, or cooling menthol and eucalyptus. Okay, so those right there open up the passageways if they are clogged, as well as delivering medicine to actually reduce duration of the common cold, so they say, and helps relieve nasal congestion. I believe the cooling menthol and eucalyptus are the things that relieve nasal congestion. I'm going to go ahead and do the left nostril. It's kind of intense, I can tell you that, but it definitely clears up the nasal congestion right away. All right, so it clears up the nasal congestion right away. So I did that, and now that it's done, what I do is I have to wipe the top, clean it off. I believe you have to read the instructions so you know, but you have to clean the top, then replace this right here. And if you're traveling and you don't want it to spray, you'll take this part right here and put this back around the collar of the Zicam nasal spray right here. So overall, right now, I don't have experience with it getting rid of the cold quicker yet. I haven't used this to where I can figure that out, but it definitely relieves nasal congestion, and I'm hoping that this does actually reduce the length of a cold. I know there are other products, such as the tablets that I was showing you earlier. For me, has actually reduced the duration of my cold. I notice it dramatically. When I get a cold, take this right away. It begins to work. But that's Zicam No Drip Nasal Spray. This is my review of it. Works well right now. Feels good. Nose feels moisturized. And my congestion seems to be fading away. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.